Hi, my name is and this is my 2006 Polo GTI. It's a 1.8 turbo and it's tuned by Thanos Tuning.
Okay, so today we're here with Lodi Legransie, and Lodi, what can you tell us about what you've done to the engine modification wise?
Okay, so the engine has forged rods by Integrated Engineering, still using stock pistons. I have 1000cc injectors with billet adapters to make them fit the 20 valve intake. I have a 76mm intake, 63mm boost pipes, a large front mount intercooler, a 76mm downpipe, 63mm exhaust, and that about sums up the engine bay.
Ludwig, this is easily one of the biggest intercoolers I've seen on a Polo. What size is that?
That is a 300 by 600 76mm thick intercooler, and it was the biggest one that I could find.
Okay, turbo wise, what are you running on here? Is it some secret sauce, or are you willing to speak about what you've got on it?
No, I'm open. It's a KO4 turbo from a Golf 6R, and it has a bigger compressor wheel fitted to it, so that is a KO4 064 hybrid turbo.
Okay, so I've heard you're not running meth currently on the car.
Yes, I'm not running any methanol as it is today. It's just on pump fuel, 95 octane, but I do have a different tune for E85 on which it makes around 300 kilowatts at the wheels and 590 newton meters. So my methanol kit, all the lines have been run, I just need to install it.
Okay, so Lodi, I would easily say this is one of the fastest Polo 993 GTIs in Gauteng. If there was like a top 10 in South Africa, this would definitely be one on the top 10. But I know you're a really modest guy and you don't like to talk about your power figures that much, but
yeah, look, I'm not a big racer, so I enjoy the car. It's my daily driver. It's fun as it is now. I don't go chasing big power and big turbos and that stuff, so as it is now, I'm really happy.
Any future modifications you're looking at, Lodi?
Yeah, I would like to redo the intake, as I said, and finish installing the water methanol kit, and then maybe at a later stage just get a bigger exhaust wheel for the turbo as well. Interior, I have Golf 7 GTI leather seats installed, a Mark 6 GTI steering wheel, and then I've done some cluster modifications to have the blue Golf 7R needles, white LEDs all around, and inverted LCD displays.
Hey, you've done quite a lot to the car. Brake wise, what are we looking at there?
In the front, I'm running Seat Cupra 4-pot calipers with the 312mm discs and high friction pads, and at the rear I'm running S3 vented bigger discs and calipers.
Obviously you're running the Seat wheels because it's hard to find wheels that clear these big brakes.
That is. The spoke design has to be very specific to clear the actual caliper.
I think it is all well. We're here with Lodi today, guys, and we're gonna do the ride along with him. And we actually forgot to mention a few mods because this car has so many mods to talk about. You quite actually forget what mods it has. So Lodi, tell us a bit more about the mods and something a bit more about yourself.
Okay, so the car has a wave track limited slip differential in it. That is on the gearbox side, and the only other mod is a LMB clutch. It's just a normal single mass conversion, no copper pucks or any of that at this stage. I'm riding on 95 octane at the moment. Ethanol is hard to find in this pandemic.
No, that's true. It's so expensive.
Yes, because it's used for sanitizers everywhere.
Yeah.
So, and I work for Thanos Tuning part-time, so I have the ability to flash my own car. The way it is now is my daily drive, and I feel that the power that it's making is adequate.